Neon Songbird. In dreams, perched in a banyan tree, transformed from an eel slithering the brackish channel harbors, I chant Cervantes to the flashing neon rhythms of a rosary, repeated as she works the street in hair washed purple. No, her tresses match my rosary beads, mahogany. Captured, I call her name. Any name. She takes a cigarette, asks for a light. I take her invitation, making light the steps between us. She says, "Your beads match my hair in this light." I am lost. They look deeper under the banyan tree, as do your eyes. A prayer is all this is. I am blinded by phosphorescent beauty. I too like Cervantes, she says, her lips lush rosa plums. My face blushes hot. By instinct I clutch my rosary. Why don't we dance or chase windmills? Words bubble, champagne for this night. Cervantes sings and my heart sings. She is my neon songbird.